Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
There are 3 common ways to add JavaScript to an HTML page: inline, internal, and external. Inline scripts go inside an element using the onClick or onload attributes directly. Internal scripts use a script block in the head or body of the document. External scripts live in a separate file like app.js and are linked with src. Place external script before the closing body tag for best loading or use defer. Use type equals text/JavaScript for compatibility and async when parallel loading is needed. Create an external file named app.js and reference it with script src equals app.js. When you place a script tag in the head, the parser pauses until the script downloads and executes. Scripts placed at the end of body execute after DOM parsing, avoiding blocking render. Use defer to preserve execution order while downloading in parallel. Use async to download and execute parallel when order does not matter. To run code after DOM ready, listen for DOM content loaded or put scripts at document end. Open the browser console to view syntax errors, runtime errors, and console. Log outputs. If a script does not run, check the console line number and file path for obvious typos. Enable use strict to catch silent mistakes and to enforce safer coding patterns. Prefer modules by using type equals module when you need import and export functionality. During development, add cache-busting query strings like app.js v equals 1, 0 to force fresh downloads. Finally, test in multiple browsers and disable extensions that may.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.